Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to record a screen on PC for free using OBS Studio. Okay, so once you have downloaded and installed open broadcasting software, that is OBS Studio, then you need to launch it. So you'll see a screen just like this one. Okay, now whatever options come, simply cancel it. Now you can see here there is something called scene. Okay, you can see the plus sign here, click on the plus sign. Now you can enter any name here. Okay, please enter the name of the scene. Okay, you can enter any name here. Okay, simply type in record or something like that. Okay, so once you do it, now there is something called sources here. Okay, so you need to click on plus sign again here. Now it will give you a lot of options here: audio input capture, a browser, or color, or display, or something like that. Okay, so we want to capture the whole screen. Okay, so you can click on simply display capture. Okay, simply click on display capture and you will see a screen just like this here. Now there is an option to start recording here. Okay, you can see right now the video that you are seeing, I am recording it with OBS Studio only. That's why it is showing as stop recording, because it is recording it. Okay, now I'm going to the settings. So before you click on start recording, we need to go to the settings part here. Okay, now general, now go to the output section here. Now you can see one of the options as recording. Now you need to set the recording quality. Okay, so I have set it as same as stream. Now when you will click this option, now so right now it is recording. So once you click this option, you will get few other options like high file size or medium quality or something like that. Okay, then there are few recording format options such as MP4 or AVI or M4V. These are the recording format options. Okay, audio bitrate will be 128 only. Now you can go to the audio section here. You can set your mic. Which mic do you want? So right now I am using the default microphone, Realtek high definition audio mic. Okay, then you can go to the video section here. You can see the base resolution and what will be the output resolution here, that you can also set right from here. Then there I click on the hotkeys section here. Now you can see you can actually set the hotkeys here. Okay, so you can see I have set the only two hotkeys. That is, first one is the for start recording. So if I press R from the keyboard, then it will start the recording. For stopping the recordings, I need to press F10 from the keyboard. Now you can also set it for pause recording. Okay, pause recording and unpause recording, you can set these two as well. Now if I go to the advanced section here, you can see the recording file name formatting is here. Okay, so these are the few options that you can simply set. So once you set it all, simply click on apply here at the bottom of the screen, apply. Then you need to click on OK here. Okay, once you apply in OK, then you can click on start recording. Okay, one of the best thing is that you can simply minimize it. Okay, then also if you will press R from the keyboard, it will start the recording. Okay, so during the recording, if you press R or you press F10, then it will stop the recording. So if you have OBS Studio minimized and if you are doing something and if you will press R, then also it will start recording. So you need to keep that in mind, or set a function key so that you don't press it while typing it. Okay, so right now you can see it is recording. So now if you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to press F10 so that this recording will stop, and you will see the file right on the desktop. Okay, the place that I have shown here, so it is right here at the desktop. As soon as I will press F10, it will convert it into MP4. So thank you for watching the video.